I build my big, tall, spooky Halloween figures. The first thing I do is I'm gonna dig a hole this year, because last year I just used a 5-gallon bucket. With the weight of the head, the bucket actually tipped over, so it didn't work. So this year I'm planning on burying the black pipe in concrete in a hole in the front yard. Hopefully that keeps it from tipping over. First thing we're gonna do is seal up the bottom, because I was too cheap and I forgot the caps. Alright, here's the skeleton for my yard decoration. It's 1 1/4 inch PVC. It's got a T that I screw in each corner just to make sure I don't glue it, because I want to take it down and store it at the end of the year or season. And 45, 45, and then some arms. So you got the shoulders, forearm, the other part of the arm, and then what I do is I jam twigs in there to make it look a little spookier. But yeah, I secure everything with screws, that way I can take it down at the end of this season. I haven't cut this down to size yet. I gotta figure out how the size difference with the new hole. But this guy gets this guy as the topper. Looks pretty cool. People seem to like it last year. And then I also did one with a giant jack-o'-lantern, which I'll show in a little bit. Alright, here's the mock-up before I screw everything down. Seems to be a good size. Seems to match the other guy pretty well. This is the jack-o'-lantern one I made earlier. As you can see, the arms are just branches shoved into that PVC. Same thing, I got it concreted in the ground. It comes out pretty neat. You just drape some cloth on it. Now, time to take it down and screw it in. Here's the first step. I just got some burlap that I cut a hole into. Draped it over, spray painted it, added a little bit of cobwebs. Looks alright. And there's the arms, the sleeves. I had the spray paint because it just looked too new. And tattered up the ends. Coming together. See, I got the sleeves on now. And use this awesome battery-powered hot glue gun to secure the sleeves onto the body, as well as the other parts. You can see starting to come together. Next thing is to figure out how to keep him from tipping over. This giant fiberglass skull is huge and heavy, as opposed to this guy. All I really had to do to secure him, because it's just blow mold, is I crammed 1x3 up there, glued that in. Again, this awesome battery-powered Ryobi glue gun. But that seemed to work, and it keeps his head right perfect, and it keeps it from falling off. The big problem with this guy is he gets so top heavy that it tends to tip over. Last year I did this setup, which is a 90-pound bag of concrete and some brake rotors on a black pipe. Then it just, once it started rocking, it was over. So we scrapped that idea. I'm gonna try this one, see if it works. If not, we might be buying a new skull again. Alright, here's the creative solution I came up with. I got some old speaker wire I had no use for because everything's Bluetooth now. And then I wrapped it around his neck and secured it up to the eaves. Might work. It's better than nothing. The problem with using PVC is it's awfully bendy. But we'll see. Coming together. And here we have the completed project. It looks pretty cool. Can't wait to see that at nighttime. Just hot glued some things, metal some things. Should be good to go. Not bad though. A couple bucks for some pipe, 10-20 bucks for some burlap, and then a skull I got on clearance.